In this video, we will show you how to recall an email in Outlooks. In the Outlook, the newest version, the recall email has been gone. But in here, you can try to using undo message. How to enable the undo message? First, you can click settings on your Outlooks here and select the emails and choose compose and replay, and you can see there. You can enable the undo send. Okay. Maximum to undo or recall your email is just 10 seconds. This is like delay. You can click save. When you send the email into the person, for example, let's create new email. Okay, this is test number 5, for example, just test. When you click send button and accidentally there is something error in there, you can click undo here. Okay, so your message will not send it. Okay, unfortunately the recall has been gone from the home features, so we can just using this undo. Okay, but if you already send the email, it cannot be recalled again. Let's see on our email. Okay, on the send items, we cannot recall on this menu again or on this menu, so we can just recall using the undo. When you disable the option on undo, your message will be sent in that time. Okay, you can see here when we disable these features, if we send the message, okay, if we send the message test recall, if we click send, it will directly send, no undo button like before. And that's all tutorial how to recall or undo the email using the newest version of Outlook. Okay, I'm sorry, unfortunately there is no option to recall more than 10 seconds. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.